If you've ever tried grilling outdoors and ended up fighting uneven heat, constant flare-ups, or food that cooks fine on one side but burns on the other, you already know how frustrating portable charcoal grills can be. That inconsistency can ruin an otherwise perfect camping trip or backyard cookout. This is exactly the problem the Royal Gourmet portable charcoal grill is trying to solve. This is the Royal Gourmet, a compact tabletop charcoal grill designed for camping, picnics, and small outdoor cooking setups where portability and control matter more than size. It's built for people who want real charcoal flavor without hauling a massive grill around. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, it feels like a straightforward, no-nonsense grill. The body is compact but solid, with a matte black finish that gives it a clean, functional look rather than anything overly flashy. The metal construction feels sturdy enough for repeated outdoor use, and the dual-handle design actually makes a difference when you're moving it in and out of a car trunk or setting it up at a campsite. It's the kind of build that feels practical first, not decorative. What stands out most in the design is how much attention went into airflow and heat control. The adjustable dampers on the lid and body give you a surprising amount of control over how the charcoal burns. Instead of feeling like you're stuck with whatever heat you get, you can actually fine-tune it depending on what you're cooking. The adjustable fire grate adds another layer of control, which helps more than you'd expect in a grill this size. In real-world use, this grill performs best when you treat it like a controlled cooking tool rather than just an open flame box. Once the charcoal is properly heated, the cooking surface holds a fairly stable temperature for its size. Burgers and hot dogs cook evenly without constant shifting, and chicken gets a more predictable cook instead of those sudden hot spots that can dry it out. The warming rack is a small but useful addition, especially when you're cooking for a few people and need to keep food warm without overcooking it. Cleanup is relatively simple, which matters a lot for a portable grill. The removable ashtray underneath makes it easier to deal with spent charcoal without dumping the entire unit. It's not completely mess-free, but compared to basic budget grills, it definitely reduces the hassle after cooking. The porcelain enameled grates also help prevent food from sticking too aggressively, which saves time when you're cleaning up at the end of the day. There are some trade-offs worth mentioning. Because of its compact size, you're not getting the same cooking volume or heat retention you'd expect from a full backyard charcoal grill. If you're trying to cook for a large group, you'll feel that limitation quickly. Also, while temperature control is better than many grills in this category, it still takes a bit of practice to dial in the airflow just right. This grill fits best for campers, small families, or anyone who wants a portable charcoal setup without dealing with bulky equipment. If you're someone who mostly cooks for large gatherings, a full-size kettle grill or smoker will give you more flexibility. But if portability and quick setup matter more, this is a strong middle ground option. Compared to other portable charcoal grills in the same price range, the Royal Gourmet stands out mainly because of its airflow control system and adjustable fire grate. Many competing models focus only on portability and ignore heat management, which usually leads to inconsistent cooking. Higher-end portable grills may offer thicker materials or slightly better heat retention, but they also come at a noticeably higher price without dramatically changing the core cooking experience. Overall, this is a simple but thoughtful portable grill that gets the basics right. It doesn't try to reinvent charcoal cooking, but it does make it more controlled and manageable in a compact format. For casual outdoor cooks, campers, or weekend grillers, it's an easy way to get real charcoal flavor without a complicated setup. If you're thinking about upgrading your portable grill setup or just want something reliable for outdoor trips, check the link in the description for current pricing and details. And if this review helped you out, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.